Hello friends, welcome to our kitchen. Today we will make flavorful pumpkin leaves besara as a side dish for roti and rice. This delicious healthy pumpkin leaves besara is packed with nutrients and bursting with traditional flavors. First take some fresh pumpkin leaves, clean them thoroughly. And wash them well under water like this. Chop the leaves into small pieces and set them aside. In a blender, add garlic cloves, green chilies, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and a little water. Blend into a smooth paste. Set aside. Heat oil in a pan and add chopped onions. Saute them until little golden brown. Add a little water. Add that prepared masala paste. Mix well and cook for a few minutes. Add some pumpkin pieces and green chilies to the pan. Season with garam masala powder. Mix well. Add salt, mix well, and cook on medium heat, stirring occasionally until the pumpkin becomes tender. Add the chopped pumpkin leaves to the pan, mix well. To coat the leaves in the masala, cook in medium heat. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Cook until the leaves are soft and well combined with the masala. Cook until the leaves are soft and well combined with the masala. Ingredients list is in description. Try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Turn off the heat once the pumpkin and leaves are fully cooked. Serve hot as a side dish with roti or rice for best taste. Enjoy this flavorful, delicious pumpkin leaves besara. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.